Hey there, it's Bryan Caplan, your dedicated trainer for the Grow with Google program, and I've got a quick productivity tip that I wanted to share with you. You ready? Here we go. Hey everyone, it's Bryan Caplan, your dedicated trainer for the Grow with Google program, and I want to show you another productivity tip. So in this case, let's say that you're working on a document. It could be a Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Slide. In this case, you see behind me, I actually have brand new slides. We have a brand new deck for our YouTube class through Grow with Google, where we teach you all about how to create a YouTube channel, upload videos, and even some special tips to get your videos in front of more people. Well, whenever I have new slides, I got to learn them. So I'm going to show you a trick of how I can, within any Google Doc, Google Sheet, or Google Slide, actually add that to the calendar and set aside a time for myself to review the document or work on it. So in this case, anytime you're working on any type of Google document, you're going to see on the right-hand side this little menu, and you'll see the calendar icon up at the top. I'm going to click on that calendar icon, and notice it pulls out my calendar. Now, you can choose to show several different calendars. I have a whole bunch here. I'm just choosing to show this calendar right now. Well, it shows that my day's pretty available, which it isn't because it's only one of several. But let's say that from 1 to 2, I want to work on this document. I want to make sure I learn all of the content of the slides so that I can deliver you a quality class that's going to help you grow that bigger, better biz. Okay, so 1 to 2 today, great. I can title it Review YouTube Slides. If I wanted to, I could add guests. Let's say that maybe I want to invite my team or a co-host. I could add them simply by clicking on Add Guests and entering their email. I can also, right here, you see Attach New Use YouTube. Click on that, and then I click Save. Now, you see on my calendar, from 1 to 2, I have a new appointment, keeping me honest and productive. 1 to 2, review YouTube slides. I click on it, and now I can simply click right here, and it opens a brand new link for me right into the slides. So if you have meetings with your team and you want to work on an agenda, if you are going over slides and you're building a presentation with your team, if you're working on sheets and doing computations and financials, then you can use this tool, add it to the calendar, share it with your team so you can all access it and see it in one place and have a dedicated day and time to do so. Hopefully this helps. I hope that you all stay well, stay healthy, stay happy, and until next time, here's to your success.